Hello everyone to a Scratch tutorial. Today I will be showing you how to make a simple but fun starter tutorial for anyone who's new to Scratch. And sorry if there's any chirping in the background. I have a baby bird right outside my window in a nest, and it's kind of annoying, but let's go. So let's see. Let's first do some movement. So let's have our cat. So this will be our character, and let's do when flag clicked. Let's put it in a forever loop. Let's do if, and actually let's do if let's see, key up arrow pressed. We can put change y by 10. And let's duplicate this a couple more times, and let's put this in here. So let's do for the down arrow now. You can have a change y by 10 in the up arrow, and the down arrow you can do -10. And let's put our right arrow, nope, not down arrow, we want our right arrow, and let's change this to a change X, and this also a change X. Now let's make our left arrow a -10. Alright, let's test this. It can go up, right, down, and left. Oh, it works! Wow, look at me go! Alright. First of all, we need him to go to where he needs to when we click a flag. So let's do go to 0, 0 when our flag is clicked. Look at that. Let's go off the screen here. And let's click the flag. And he goes straight to the beginning, right in the middle. Let's make some walls. Let's name this our walls. Or maybe actually our level. Let's make this black. You can make this whatever color you want, but this is just what I'm doing. Let's make our wall here, and then our wall here. And let's do these little walls here. Now, you can't see outside the square in here. Let's bring this to 0, 0. Oh, nope, that's not what we want. There we go. Alright. That's a bit of a small space. Let's fix that. There, that looks better. Can our cat fit through this? If we were to have any walls? Yep, certainly would. Look at him. Alright. Let's put this into a wall. It's in this wall for level 1. Let's go to our code now. Let's do when flag clicked. Let's go to our position 0, 0. Great. Now we have our cat dude. Shall we do something about him? Look at this. He goes straight through the walls, and we do not want that. That's a no-no. Let's go to our character. Let's do when flag clicked. Let's get some variables. Previous X for the sprite only, for all sprites, and previous Y. For all sprites. For now, we're gonna set our previous X to our X position, and let's duplicate this and set our Y to our Y position. So let's see. Right now it's 0, 0. And great. We forgot to put this in a forever loop. Let's put an if. Not it in an if, but right here. So let's look at this. Look at that. Currently our let's go to right here. So our previous X is -40 and our previous Y is 10. Look at that. It's working. Alright, let's see. Let's see if we're touching our level, we can go to, let's put previous X and our X, and our previous Y and our Y. Let's look at this. Ha! It works! Alright. But look at this. Our cat gets stuck even on his whiskers. Well, now we don't want that. Let's stop this and make a hitbox. Let's duplicate this. Let's move it over here. Let's name this Hitbox. Now we can take everything in here and dump it in the trash, except for this. We want to keep this. Alright, let's go to our hitbox. Let's go to our costumes. Delete the second costume, and let's name this Hitbox. Let's draw a decent sized box around him. Let's make this go back so we can see, and make this just right. Great, we have our hitbox. Select your hitbox, everything but your hitbox, and group it. Now go to your character and group this as well. Go to your hitbox, select everything but the hitbox, and delete it. Now you have your hitbox. Let's take this and set our ghost effect to 100. Because if we did a hide, none of our scripts would really work. So if we make it invisible, we will be just fine. Now look at this. Uh-oh. That's not good. What's happening? I know why. Let's remove these so you don't see them. Let's try this. Ooh. That's why. Go back to your hitbox and select your hitbox. Copy this. Now delete your hitbox. First, actually, don't delete it yet. Take this back and put it in your character sprite. Now delete your hitbox. Let's move this over here. Let's make a new costume. and copy and paste your hitbox. Make sure it's in the middle. So let's make a new block. Alright, let's name this touching, or no, hitbox. And let's run without screen refresh. Alright, drop all this into here. Now we can do this and throw our lovely hitbox right into here. Now let's go down and let's see. Let's do switch costume. Let's go back to our costumes and name this character, and our hitbox will obviously, you guessed it, hitbox. Let's switch our costume to hitbox and switch it back to our character. After our forever loop is done, let's go back to here. Let's make our hitbox. Right, we can leave it. And let's start this. Let's try moving around. This is a bit laggy. Aha. Let's see why. Keep this in. Keep this in there. Let's keep. Wait, let's turn this and put it in here. We want this to go before. Alright, let's try this once more. Man, isn't that laggy? Is it just me, or is that super laggy? What's our FPS on that? My goodness. Let's go back. Ah, I know why. Let's go back to our hitbox and edit it. Remove this run screen without refresh. Or run screen refresh. Ah, there we go. Now this is working. Look, my feet aren't getting caught on anything. Let's try getting it caught again. And we can't. And we can obviously see that we're not getting caught on anything, and oh no. That's a problem. Let's put that back here and test this. Ah! It works. Sorta. I know what we should do. Let's drop our size down to a 90. Or maybe even an 85. Now let's try this. That works. I have a feeling our hitbox may be too big. Let's copy this and bring it to the back. Let's bring those down to like right there. Let's make it just perfect. That looks good. Let's take this, copy it, delete it, delete this and paste this. Let's go back to our code and try this once more. Yay! It works. Our hitbox is just fine. Now if we can just squeeze into that hole. This seems a bit challenging. I do not like this. Let's perhaps make our character a tad bit smaller. You can either do this, or you can make your level a bit easier to navigate, or not so big, at least. Scale these down a bit. Now let's try this. Maybe bring him back to 100. Not a 10. Haha. Look at him, he's so tiny. Alright, let's try this out. Look at that. We squeeze right in there. Let's go to our character sprite. I think this looks good. Alright. That is looking amazing. I love that. Now, I think we should make it to where you can go between levels. Now, there are much more complex and harder ways to do this, but I'm just a simple guy. Let's name this level for all sprites. Let's make another costume, and let's name it level 2. Let's make this maybe a bit different. Maybe 1 or 2 walls here with maybe this in the middle. And maybe 2 different passageways. Alright, let's scale this down a bit, because our character's gonna get stuck on it, and we don't want that. So we have level 1, level 2. Let's make another sprite. This is my own special way. We can call it level Detector. Now, if y'all have any easier ideas for the next level, drop it down in the comments. Alright, let's make this a thin rectangle. Let's make this purple maybe. Doesn't matter, because we're not going to be seeing it in the game. That's just to make it look good. We can make this long, maybe, and drop it down in there. Make sure it's snapped. Let's name this costume Detector. Alright, let's go back to our code and let's set. Let's go back to our level. Let's set level 2, 1. Let's go back to our level detector. Let's see. Let's get a one flag clicked. We can make it go to. Let's make it turn 90 degrees. Maybe. There we go. Turn 90 degrees. Let's move this in the actual game, and let's put this right here. And actually, maybe let's keep this back where it was. let's make a clone. When I start as a clone, turn 90 degrees. And let's do forever loop. If our level is equal to 2, let's get our variable. Let's do level. And let's see, we can go to right here. Now, oops, I just realized. Aren't I dummy? I left this sitting in the open. We don't want that. Alright, let's go back to our level and our level detector, and let's go to, let's refresh this. Alright, there we go. It'll go right here. And look at me, I almost forgot. Let's set our ghost effect to 100. Alright, let's try this. Wait. Alright. We need to do level 1. Let's turn our level back to here. Alright, let's move our detector. Right here. Oops, it won't move. I gotta click right on it. Right, let's move it right here. That should be perfect. Alright. Let's go back to our motion and go to where it is currently. That looks amazing. But there's another thing. We need to keep this in here and delete this forever. Or actually, we don't need to worry about this. Let's go back to our character. Forever. If touching level detector, change level by 1. And wait 1 second. We can also plop in a broadcast message. Oh, not wait, broadcast message. Alright. And let's do next level. Let's go to our level and let's say when I receive next level, let's go to our looks and switch costume, or actually next costume. There we go. Alright, let's try this. Let's look at our level. Alright, that looks good. And we can't fit through there. Let's fix our level. Make sure your character can go around your objects, because you don't want any bugs. Don't want none of that. So let's try this. There we go. Can easily do that. And that's just great. Let's go back to our level detector and see what is going on. Where are you at? Ah! For developer purposes, let's set our ghost effect to 0. I don't know. Looks fine to me. Alright, let's reset this. So, let's go back to... Uh-oh. We just found a bug. Let's go to here and let's do switch costume to level 1. There we go. Let's go back to our level detector and set our ghost effect to 0. Alright, so let's see. Where are you at? Oh. That's not good. Am I still touching it? No. I see. What's happening? Delete this clone. We just have to copy this down. Let's keep this out actually. So let's put this back. So let's keep this and delete clone. And let's do when I start. Oh. Okay. I get it now. So technically what's happening is there is one clone that's here. You touch it and it's still there, but then there's a second one that goes over here. Let's fix that. So when I receive next level, let's delete this clone and see what happens. Uh-oh. Our character's stuck. I'm not the smartest guy on earth, but I'm pretty sure you need to take this back a bit. Make sure your walls aren't too thick, guys. That's a mistake I just realized I was making, which you don't want to make. Now you can make this a bit better. There we go. I'm going to keep level 1 the way it is because it's just fine. Ah, my whisker. That's not fun. Isn't that just fun, fun, fun? Yikes. Can you still see the black? Yes, you can. Alright, let's see. There we go. Make sure you don't have bugs like that, guys. Alright. So we basically have what we need. Is everything you need. Alright. Now you can go ahead and have fun with it. So basically, you can keep creating more levels, and you can extend it and make it level equals whatever this variable is right here, and go to wherever you want that level detector to be. And now there's one thing missing. Just one thing. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is called music. Let's go to our background and add some music. That's not music. That's not the right music. And you want the right music. That's what you want. The right music. I say the right music. Is this the right music? Yeah. Let's get our music in. Let's see. One flag clicked. Forever. Play sound music until done. Go. Got your little character. Go through here. And you keep going. There you go. Save your project and name it wherever you like. Have a good day and scratch on.